All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I'm going to be honest, I don't know where we left off. I did something in the interim for the last 2 weeks that was not this, but you'll see soon. You thought this was cool. Wait till you see what I have in store for you. But, we've got an oil pan. Let me show it to you.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
Alrighty, so the oil pan does need some more coats, but look at that. So my neighbor did this for me. Obviously, I need to do something with the inside too. We have a threaded hole for, well, whatever. It's here. The AN fitting for the turbo drain, which has been done. I have made it. It is sitting right yonder. So that line's been completed. We have the intercooler piped in. We have the coolant, everything that's piped in, except for one clamp that, or one coupler like this that broke down at the bottom there. It's always been a tough spot. I need to get a proper outlet made. But other than that, we need to keep attacking this list. I need to get this oil pan done so that I can put oil in it and then get that coolant hose fixed so I can put coolant in it. And then I'm tomorrow to bring me 2 fittings so that I could finish up the brake lines. And then we take apart the rear brakes and get the parking brake unseized. And then start it. Battery, oh, I need lots of positives. So, this evening, I am doing the finishing painting the oil pan to put that on. I am going to fix that coolant hose. I'm going to put the AN line on for the turbo drain. And I have to do grounds and the positives, the grounds and the huts, 12 volt big thick boys for the starter, the alternator, and the battery to the battery. So I'm gonna get jumping on this. I'll check in with you in a few. Alright, my friends, there's clearly been a change in plans. I forgot I had to paint this. I'm going to paint this so that Dave can put this in tomorrow. And this Jeep is broken, so it's stuck there. So, sorry, overspray. Yeah, I mixed up the paint. Let's spray this real quick. We're going to stay back here and look at it. It's fine. I needed it done. I need to put the car together. I'll wet sand and buff it later. because maybe I will. It's a roll cage. I don't know. This thing may have, as many runs as the Boston Marathon, but that's besides the point. We're going to send it anyway. And I will be coming back. We have to go out in the vehicles here and in the dailies. And we're going to go to a meet. And then when we next meet, which will be me tomorrow after work, the oil pan will be going in with the gasket, with new hardware. That'll be in. I've already got that coolant line fixed. We got a couple clamps to put on to that heater core. Even without hanging it, we're in good shape. We're in really good shape. Do me a favor, mid-video, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you all in a second. Hi kids, welcome back. So we're underneath the car. I'm going to show you some stuff I did. Look at that. Okay, that's now fixed, which is fantastic. The oil pan is on with the gasket. It looks great. It's obviously not all bolted in. I need to get more hardware because I don't like and lost some. We have this beautiful, beautiful AN drain line now for the Turbski. Very much excited for that. Looks fantastic. Shut up. It's better on this side. And I need to get out from underneath this thing real quick. But it looks good. It's looking good. Looking good. Look at that's cool. There you go, kids. That looks cool. All right, so now that I'm out of there, because that was uncomfortable. Hi, peoples. Done. You're going to look at it from here, never close up, ever in your life. Don't ever look at that. Nor those. Just don't ever look at it, okay? Future Dan problem. It's gold. It's going in the car. I'm running out of time here. We got glow fart prep here. So, at this point, other than the fact it needs to be bolted on, it is made. What else do we got? I've not mounted the heater core. I've not finished the wire tuck. Oh, hold on. We need to go to the other side. Turbo oil drain. Done! Beautiful. Fuel filter. Not done. Wire LEDs. I presume those are the headlights. Yeah, I don't have anything else done. We're going to do some things on this list. But when I say we, I actually mean Dave. Because I have to go finish up something that I've been working on with Dave and with Chris for the last 2-3 weeks that has taken a lot of my attention. I'm now coming up to where I don't have quite a few episodes already pre-recorded, and now I'm kind of doing these live almost on a weekly or like 2-week out basis. And we have to get ready for Wolf's Guard. So I've been doing this awesome thing that you're going to be introduced to, not this episode, but the next episode. The rest of this episode, a little bit putting in the roll cage, the seats, the steering wheel, and the nose, the bumper, and the hood, so that we can move the vehicle. Stay tuned for that. Hi, shop kitty. So, roll cage is going in, but first, we are going to rebuild out a toolbox to stay down here because I instantly was mad that all my stuff was up at the new building. Little hint for you. And needed stuff. Yeah, there you go. There's a big hint for the next episode, kids. This. We bought things. We're going to put it in there, and then I'm going to be able to work on this. Let's do it. There we go. What I need to do is I need to make this bracket not move with the pedal. See how it moves with it? I need to tack it here to here. Right there. I need to do a little bit of welding and get that to stay up against here so that this does not move when you hit the throttle, so that it pulls the cable, not the bracket. So that's what I has to do. We've been working. I did not hit record on the time lapse. I don't think you need to see us put in the seats again, but check this out. I just had a moth fly in my face. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Whoa, buddy. What is this we're looking at here? We're looking at a handbrake on the floor. I need to do an extension and put it up here. That's going to be sick. I completely forgot about that until we just started talking about this, kids. So I have to get some light up in here. There we go. I have to take it from where it's bolted here and be able to continue with an angle here in a fashion of such to be able to go whap, 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 and pull it. Even though the e-brake doesn't go whap, whap. That's besides the point. We have the seats installed. We have the roll cage that looks good from 10 feet away through a window that's dirty. Epic. We have the harnesses that are not installed. They're just there because I wanted to take pictures with the old girly friend. Dashboard. It's there because it was up there. And wheels. We got the suspension tightened for non-driving move up the hill here. So we have these on with the spacers. It looks spicy. It looks, even the alignment actually doesn't look that bad off. Actually. Wow, that's, I mean, that's towed in, but it's not horrific. I think they're both kind of towed in, but that's not horrific. So we have some stuff to mark off, my friends. Let's end this night on a high note. So, technically that's done, but we do have to take, I got to take the dashboard back out to do some wiring stuff. But I did almost entirely finish the throttle pedal, so we'll kind of do one of those. I did not do any of that. I did not do any of that. Did not do any of that. Okay, so what are we marking off on this?
Roll cage?
Install interior. I think that is roll cage. Paint roll cage was there. Okay, so I just talked about marking stuff off. We technically didn't do anything. We just kind of threw it all together so that we can move the car. So, in the next episode, what you are going to see is this car with its hood and its bumper back on, and we are going to be moving it to half-fast garage 6.725. Stay tuned.